Hello YouTubers, welcome to today's session regarding MS Excel formulas. Today we will gonna revise the proper function in Microsoft Excel. I have already prepared you an example sheet, and here as you can see I have added some type of text and a name at the bottom. What actually proper function does. As you can see here, each line with the text, all words are starting with small letters. What the proper function actually does is to bring the text from first letters in each word, from small letters to capital letters. So imagine you have a bunch of raw data with names which are written in small letters, 100 of lines with names which you have manually to correct and bring them to a capital letters. Actually, you don't have to do it manually, as there is a already existing function in Excel which helps you to do it automatically and of course in very short time. Let me start to show you how the function itself is working so you can understand what I'm talking about better. As you can see, I've just clicked on the empty cell on column B line 2 in front of the first line with text. And as I've told you on our previous tutorials, each formula in Excel starting with equal sign. And after that, we are typing our function proper and opening a bracket. So as you can see, the formula itself requires a text. This does not mean that the text should be copied all this. I mean, to type all the sky was blue into the brackets, but this means from where the text is coming in to this function. So basically the text is coming from column A, line 2, and we are closing the brackets. And just simply press enter. So what you can see now is that all words are starting with capital letters. And how you can apply this to all the lines where you have already an existing text, just simply come at the right bottom corner of the cell with the formula, and once you see the cross sign, you just simply double click on it and it will apply it automatically to all the lines where you have already a text. So as you can see, the name also turned from small letters to capital letters, and I think this would be really helpful for a bunch of raw data with names, with whatever text you would like to have, and hope that would help you in your daily work. And of course, do not forget to subscribe and follow us so that you will be in touch with us and see our next coming tutorials in YouTube in our channel, Cam in Action. See you guys.